Hello everyone and good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, May 13th, 2025 at 13:48. And today we have our Day 2 outlook to look at. Before we get started, I would just like to say, please pardon any interruptions that may interrupt this video as I'm currently getting flood warnings from Sterling. So please be mindful that this video might be interrupted with an alert. So I would have to film that for my other channel. So please don't mind any interruptions that might occur in this video. But anyway, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the Day 2 outlook now. So as you can see here, for tomorrow we have the slight risk that extends from North Dakota through South Dakota over into a little bit of Minnesota and Iowa and down into Nebraska. And for the marginal risk surrounding it, it extends from North Dakota through South Dakota, Nebraska, Iowa, and Minnesota. So those same states have a marginal and slight risks. We also have this one marginal risk over here that is extending from South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, D.C., Maryland, Delaware, and it looks like that's it. Yep, so anyway, we might have some cities impacted with tomorrow's severe weather risk. So, anyway, we are going to go ahead and read off the cities. So, we have Sioux Falls, Sioux City, Bismarck, Norfolk, and Aberdeen under the slight risk, and then Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Virginia Beach, Omaha, and Raleigh under the marginal risk. So anyway, let's go ahead and see what we've got for tomorrow's tornado risk. We have a 2% that is for parts of South Dakota and Nebraska, Iowa, and Minnesota. So those states do have the potential for some tornadic activity tomorrow. So we have Omaha, Sioux Falls, Sioux City, Council Bluffs, and Bellevue under the 2%. So we could see tornado activity of at least an EF0, maybe an EF1 possible, so please be mindful that could be a possibility. Going into tomorrow's wind outlook, we have a 15% for parts of North Dakota, South Dakota, down into Nebraska, over into a little bit of Iowa and Minnesota. And we have the 5% that extends from Nebraska through South Dakota, North Dakota, over into Minnesota and Iowa. We also have this 5% over here that is for parts of South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, D.C., Maryland, and Delaware. So those states do have some severe risks tomorrow. So we do have Sioux Falls, Sioux City, Bismarck, Norfolk, and Aberdeen under the 15%, and Baltimore, Washington, D.C., Virginia Beach, Omaha, and Raleigh under the 5%. So, for the 15% area, you could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible, and for the 5%, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible, so please be mindful. That could be a possibility tomorrow. Going into tomorrow's hail threat, we have a 15% for parts of South Dakota and Nebraska, as well as Iowa and Minnesota, a little bit under that. And then we have the 5% that is extending from Nebraska through South Dakota, North Dakota, Minnesota, and Iowa. We do not have any risk areas that is for South Carolina, North Carolina, Virginia, D.C., Maryland, and Delaware. We don't have those areas under the hail risk for tomorrow. So we have Sioux Falls, Sioux City, Norfolk, Columbus, and Brookings under the 15%, and Omaha, Fargo, Council Bluffs, Bismarck, and Bellevue under the 5%. So let's go ahead and, I should probably say my hail predictions. So for the 15% area, we could see damaging hail of 1 to 3 inches possible. And for the 5%, we could see 1 to 2 inch hail possible tomorrow. So please be mindful that could be a possibility. Going into tomorrow's summary, it says, scattered strong to severe thunderstorms are possible, mainly over parts of the Dakotas and Nebraska Wednesday afternoon and evening. and perhaps into far western Iowa and southwest Minnesota overnight. A few strong gusts may occur over parts of the southeast and mid-Atlantic Wednesday afternoon. So there you have it. There is tomorrow's summary. So there's tomorrow's hail risk. There's tomorrow's wind risk. There's tomorrow's tornado risk. And there's tomorrow's day 2 outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe. Even in the this area over here, even though you're in a marginal, you still want to stay weather aware and stay safe. Even if it's a marginal, there's the reset. I did not do that. Even if you're in a marginal risk, you're still going to want to remain weather aware, just in case any storms that do develop do anything crazy, because sometimes in these marginals, storms can stir up some crazy stuff. So, anyway, stay weather aware, stay safe for tomorrow, prepare today for tomorrow. Take today to prepare for tomorrow. And once this outlook turns into day 1, we will be going over this outlook one more time. But anyway, in the meantime, have a safe day, everybody, and take care. Have a great day, and I will see you tomorrow. Take care, everybody.